She's my wife, Swarnali.
Hello.
How are you, ma?
Good. Good.
I'm staying in New Delhi, but I can speak in English.
She's also from Delhi.
Oh, very nice. I'm living in GK1, New Delhi, B block.
Oh, nice. Nice area.
Oh, great, great, great. You are belonging to in Delhi?
No, I am by birth I'm a Bengali.
Oh,
So I was born and brought up in Kolkata. Then
oh,
I went to Delhi for my further studies,
oh,
and then I
great,
did a job for yeah. So I was there for 4.5 years. That's all.
great, great, very
Yeah,
nice, very
yeah.
excellent, excellent.
So
Both
I
of you
was a
staying?
paying guest in Kalkaji East.
Oh, Alkaji.
Yeah,
Yeah,
near Dental Place, right?
very near
So,
to my
huh?
place. Very near to my place.
Yes, yes, I know.
Kalkaji, almost 5-6 kilometers gap.
Yeah, yes, yes.
Fine.
All in
Now,
South Delhi. Yeah.
now you are calling from Bangalore.
No, we are in USA. We are in Minneapolis.
Oh, you are in USA. Very nice. Very
That
nice.
is one of the reasons why we requested for this time
Oh,
because it's
right. Right.
morning for us. Yeah.
Actually, what's happened with me, Radhakrishnan, number of phone calls, number of email, almost 100 to 200 mails I'm getting. Once I'm bringing a horoscope, means I can discuss very, very properly. Up to the time slot, only little bit busy, not able to manage people actually.
Yep.
Once
Yep.
reading horoscope is my, it's like my dedication and my everything.
Yeah.
Actually, I'm
Totally
a
understood.
complete astrologer. No man in the world can question about my astrological knowledge. I
Got it.
studied very well, very thoroughly. We will discuss very nicely about Kiera now.
Sure.
What is
Yeah.
your calling name?
Can you repeat that?
No, no, your daughter's calling name?
Kiara. Yeah. Kiara is
Yeah.
what we. That's how we call her.
Fine, fine. Actually, you given the date of birth is 8th June 2016 and then 3:22 a.m.
Right.
Correct? Correct? And then
Correct.
Ediana City.
Edina. Yeah.
Edina City. That means her age now 4 years completed, fifth year is going on.
Correct.
Fine. Actually, we will discuss one thing. First 15 minutes, I can give prediction to about about your daughter's horoscope. Second 15 minutes, we can discuss. That's fine.
Sure.
The doubt clarification I will do after 15 minutes. First 15 minutes, I will give you the opinion and then astrological predictions about your daughter.
Sure. Definitely.
Fine. Fine. Actually, Radhakrishnan sir, we are reading the horoscope in two stages. Even we can say two type of life is possible. One it is within our control, another it is without our control. Without our control, you can say it is destiny, God grace, fluke, luck, bad luck, these things. That we are reading from the horoscope, it is Lagna. She is belonging to Rishabh Lagna. Lagna Lord Shukra in the own home, allowing Surya and Buddha. That means her luck is very fine. Excellent.
Okay.
She can be minimum lucky into 7 times. For example, one best can happen means into 7 will happen. One step she can climb up means she can climb up 7-8 steps. 1 million she can get means she will get more than 7 million. It is a horoscope, very lucky horoscope by the birth itself.
Okay.
In the Lagna, it is Surya, Buddha, and Shukra, not a great combination. But the Surya and Buddha, the distance gap is more than 22 degree. That means her status, education, qualification, brilliancy, skill, knowledge are very much blessed to her. So definitely very qualified, very good child. No doubt. It is lucky minimum 6-7 times easily. By the dasha, by the birth, it is Pusha Nakshatra, Karka Rashi, her body and mind also good. But Rasi, first dasha is Sani dasha is going on in her
What dasha is
horoscope.
going on? What dasha is going on?
Sani Mahadasha is going on.
Okay.
This Sani Mahadasha is not good, Mr. Radhakrishnan.
Okay.
Actually, her brilliancy and body and mind, I can able to predict minimum 3-4 times she is royal.
3 times, 3-4 times, 3-4 times,
Royal by the brilliancy and skill and knowledge.
3-4 times royal. You said.
Regarding her brilliancy and knowledge.
Okay.
At the same time, any horoscope born with the same dasha, Shani Magadasha, and then Shani in the 7th home along with Mangal, both are in retrograde mode. Vargottamam, we can say in Tamil. So it is the retrograde mode, Shani and Mangal together in the 7th home is not good for the health point of view.
Okay.
Generally. That means first 13 years, this horoscope can be around 65 to 75% horoscope.
Okay.
From 13 years onwards, this horoscope around more than 700% horoscope. That means now she may be around 10 to 20% lovely. In future, she can be more than 400 500% lovely.
Lovely.
Lovely. I'm fine. I'm saying about she is very, very good from the age of 13. Up to the age of 13, she can struggle in day-to-day life or performance-oriented life or concentration or health point of view also. This is not very good for the health point of view. From the birth, actually, I will tell you even extra. She is a performer. She is adamant. She is very strong. She is very truthful. She is very brave. The happiness and health point of view, this is not a great horoscope up to 2021 August 6th.
2021.
Yeah, this year August 6th. That means from 2016 June onwards, from the birth onwards, up to this year August, it is a normal horoscope. 5 years. First 5 years, it is a very normal horoscope. Thereafter, it is a great horoscope from this August 6th. Her status, her economic status, her education, her qualification, her individual life, they are great. Very famousful life she will get. But regarding the happiness and fitness, peace of mind, lucky to parents, it will start only from coming August 6th. Catch my point, brother?
Yeah, I'm trying to digest.
Yeah, that I'm telling you, first 5 years, this horoscope is a very normal horoscope.
Okay.
Her health point of view, her brilliancy point of view, her success point of view, it's a very normal horoscope. But from the age of, once you turn about 6th year, that means from this coming birthday, this horoscope is a lucky horoscope, particularly from 6th August onwards. She
Okay.
born with 8th June. 6th August means still another 2 months to go. So from 6th August onwards, next 1.5 years, lovely royal. Thereafter, the lovely royal can be established. Then, up to the age of 13, it is manageable health-wise, manageable success is there, change of place is there, education-wise pickup is there, health-wise pickup is there, very good oriented life is there. It is starting from this August, it is up to 2029 September, another 8 years it will continue.
She will be good. She will be good in all the aspects.
Yes, yes, everything. And then from 2029 September onwards, next 17 years, this girl will do lot of magical success. Education, qualification, brilliancy, deep thinking, intuitions, very researchable character, huge memory, very successful, huge happiness, royal to parents, everything is there from the age of 13.
Okay.
But at least from this August to next 8 years, minimum luck is there to both of you. It is better to herself. She can
Better to?
manage her, better to herself, I'm saying. Better to Kira. That means Kira, now she is living peacefully means she is taking some luck and energy from both of your destiny only. She is not living by her own destiny. Maybe by the birth of your grace or your wife grace, she is carry on comfortably now. She
Okay.
will be lucky by her own herself means it is only from coming August onwards.
Got it.
August 6th onwards, within 6 months time, she will pick up beautifully. In every point of view, whatever you are looking about her, regarding health, it is royal. Regarding education, it is royal. Regarding memory, it is royal. Regarding cooperation, it is royal. It is good to mother, good to father. First time she is coming to the right time by this August only.
Okay.
Then up to August, it is defending, not good, not great. It's okay, manageable. You can carry on with herself. After August, she is fine. Excellent. Whatever the troubles she is defending or whatever the things you are expecting from herself in performance, education and everything, she will do lovely from coming August onwards.
Okay.
Thereafter, from the August onwards, next 8 years, manageable better life. Don't dream something extraordinary. Up to the age of 13, she need both of your support regarding education, regarding qualification, regarding brilliancy, regarding day-to-day life, regarding happiness, regarding health point of view also.
Okay.
Once she crosses 13 years, then Buddha Magadasha, it's like a miracle. By God's grace, next 17 years, 13 to 30 years. From the
Yep.
age of 30 to 30, 17 years, marvelous life. In those 17 years, education is there, success is there, qualifications are there, income is there, marriage is there, everything is there. Then 30 to 37, Ketu Magadasha, beautiful. Then 37 to 57, her lifetime peak Chukra Magadasha. Then 57 to 63, Suri Magadasha is good. Then 63 to 73, another peak Chandra Mahadasha. Up to 73, up to the age of 85, age is there, it is routine type of life. It is Mangal Dasha 7 years, 73 to 80, and then 80 onwards it is Rahu Magadasha. Okay, fine, she can carry on. That
Okay.
means up to the age of 13, it is a normal horoscope. After the age of 13, it is a great horoscope. This horoscope, not great to mother, not happy to mother, but from the age of 13, it is very happy to mother.
Go. Okay.
Very lucky to mother. Up to the age of 13, mother can suffer slightly extra. She can worry. She cannot sleep well. She can be diluted. She can be disturbed. Just to tolerate for another 5-6 months. From August month onwards, it will pick up. Within 1.5 years, she will be more than 100%, I am sure. After August, up to August, kindly tolerate your all pain. Just to go ahead with the day-to-day life. Don't worry about anything about her. She will come back excellently.
Okay.
It's an unfortunate horoscope. Fourth home, it is Guru Rahu is there. Slightly not good to mother. Don't take it seriously. What I am saying is truth actually.
Okay.
We have to find the real truth. Then only we can go for the remedies and solutions.
Got it. Okay.
Being your parents, I'm a guide actually, astrologer. So it is our duty how to carry on these issues.
Yeah.
Actually. So after that August, within 1.5 years, he will pick up. Don't worry. Then to the father side also, I'm telling you, not bad, but it is not giving peace and happiness up to today. Then after this August, this horoscope is very lucky to both father and mother.
Okay.
And to herself. And then it can be a great long living child, but we have to manage her properly up to the age of 13. I'm not saying anything threatening mode, but I'm saying we must be careful. Unnecessary worry, unnecessary disease, unnecessary fever, stamina problem. She cannot sleep in the night hours. Body stamina or mind strength is low. But everything will pick up from August 6th onwards. Within 1.5 years, I'm sure you can get proper guidance, proper people, then she can settle down.
Okay.
Future is very, very good, brother. Present is struggling. Present is struggling. Now you can ask question, I can derive, I can answer to you, I can guide you properly.
Okay. No, I think, thank you so much for this. The first time we are seeing the horoscope. That is one of the reason why I want to see the horoscope for my daughter as well. And want to understand how you mentioned about so many other things from certain age to certain age. Where do you see in her studies?
Actually, I'm telling you, I can start from the birth again.
Overall, I'm not talking about short term or something. Overall, where do you see what is the interest or how we can motivate her?
Actually, from the age of 13, excellent studies are there. Beautifully, she will study. She will do good in the school and colleges. Definitely in the first 5 ranks he can get marks. It is starting from the age of 13. At the same time, from this August onwards, he will pick up very well in the studies. Up to the August, from the birth onwards, it is not a great horoscope regarding education.
Yeah,
Education point of view, it is very low up to coming August. From the birth onwards, it's picking up from the August only.
got it. Okay. She has not started going to school. Only she will go to school only from September or maybe next year. I mean, depends on the timing.
Okay, but don't worry at all. Because of from the coming August onwards is in right time. She will do well in the schools. But don't believe up to the next up to the age of 13 very easily or gradually. Just caretake her properly. Her education and health point of view, always keep an eye on her. Just to encourage her properly up to the completion of 13 years. Once she completes 13 only, she is a complete personality in education, qualification, brilliancy. Very great education is there. Don't need to worry.
Got it. And நீங்க அவளோட as a activity or personality எப்படி சொல்வீங்க நீங்க?
Personality வந்து it can be around only 70%. அவருடைய ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ்லயும், அவருடைய சக்சஸ் ரேஷியோலையும், அவருடைய ரியாக்ஷன்லயும், அவருடைய ஹெல்த் ஸ்ட்ரென்த்லயும், அவருடைய ஸ்மார்ட்னஸும் மேக்ஸிமம் 70% சொல்லலாம்.
Okay, she will not 100% வரைக்கும் போக மாட்டாங்க compared to other kids.
ஆமா, ஆனா up to the age of 13 she will do.
Okay, up to 13 years it will be 70%.
ஆமா ஆமா. இது வந்து
எந்த ஃபீல்ட் அவங்களுக்கு இன்ட்ரஸ்ட் இருந்தா நம்ம அதுல அவங்களுக்கு என்கரேஜ் பண்ணலாம்.
She's a great performer.
In which field? Like singing or dance or any of those?
இது ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் ஃபீல்டா இருக்கலாம், டெக்னாலஜி ஃபீல்டா இருக்கலாம். It's a only mind game, that's no body game. அந்த ஒர்க்குக்கு மைண்டும் அறிவும் மேத்தமேட்டிக்ஸும் இன்டெலெக்சுவல் திங்ஸ் மட்டும்தான் தேவை. அப்போ ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இன்ஜினியரா இருக்கலாம், அல்லது ஒரு டாக்டரா இருக்கலாம், அல்லது ஒன்லி அறிவு பிரகாரம் வாழ்ற ஒரு தொழில். பிசிக்கலி நாட் நெசசரி டு ஒர்க் ஹார்ட்.
அப்படியா? ஓகே.
ஒரு கம்ப்யூட்டர் இன்ஜினியரா இருக்கலாம், அல்லது ஒரு அட்மினிஸ்ட்ரேட்டர் ஆயிடலாம். ஒரு சிஇஓ மாதிரி வர மாதிரி ஒரு டாமினேஷன் படிப்பு, ஒரு எம்பிஏ படிச்சுட்டு போயிடலாம். ஒரு காமர்ஸ் படிச்சுட்டு எம்பிஏ படிச்சுட்டு ஒரு சிஇஓ போய் உட்காந்துடலாம் ஒண்ணு. அல்லது ஒரு சாஃப்ட்வேர் இன்ஜினியரா வந்து அது மாதிரி வரலாம், டெக்னாலஜி படிக்கலாம் ஆக்சுவலி. ஆனா இன்ஜினியரிங் லைன்ல, சிவில் லைன்லயோ மெக்கானிக்கல் லைன்லயோ போக முடியாது. ஏன்னா பிசிக்கலா ஒர்க் பண்ணணும்னே இல்ல ஜாதகத்துல.
ஓகே ஓகே.
ஒன்லி மைண்ட் ஒர்க்கிங்.
சோ இப்ப அடுத்த வேற ஏதாச்சும் ஆக்டிவிட்டீஸ், இப்ப டான்ஸ் முடியாது பிகாஸ் பிசிக்கல் ஆக்டிவிட்டி, பாட்டு பாடுறதுனா சிங்கிங்க்கு மேபி an opportunity, கிட்டார் அது மாதிரி இன்ஸ்ட்ருமெண்ட் அது மாதிரி அதுல ஏதாச்சும் நீங்க
ஆக்சுவலா சிங்கிங் ஆர் ஆர்ட் இந்த ரெண்டு படம் வரைகிறது, அதே மாதிரி பாடுறது, இது நல்லா அமையும். ஏதோ ஒரு இன்டெலெக்சுவல் ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல் திறமை வெளியில வரும். Some kind of individual skill and knowledge is there.
Okay.
You have to create that, I will tell you. Just allow the child whatever she is interested. Then automatically the intuition can internally will work.
Okay.
She will be attracted by the mode automatically. She can sing or she can use guitar also possible, but singing and art line, they are very much nice.
Okay.
You can allow her to settle down automatically from the August to next 1.5 year. She can select automatically, I believe.
August 1.5 years she will ரொம்ப நல்லா இருப்பான்னு சொன்னீங்க. அதுக்கு அப்புறம் up to 13 years நார்மலா இருப்பான்னு சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா?
ஆமா ஆமா. அந்த up to the age of 13 வந்து நாம அவளை புஷ் பண்ண வேண்டாம்.
ஓகே.
நீங்க அப்படியே ரிலாக்ஸா விட்டுருங்க. என்கரேஜ் பண்றதா நிறுத்திக்கங்க. பர்ஃபார்மன்ஸ் ஓரியன்டா அவளை எதுவும் பண்ணிட வேண்டாம். இன்னொஞ்சம் நீ நல்லா பண்ணிருக்கலாம், இன்னொஞ்சம் சரியா பண்ணுன்னு சொல்ல வேண்டாம். ஏன்னா டெஸ்டினியோட சப்போர்ட் கம்மியா இருக்கும்.
ஓகே ஓகே. சோ
என்ன சொல்லுங்க.
அவங்க குணாதிசயம் எப்படி இருக்கும்? ரொம்ப கோபப்படுற மாதிரியே இருக்குமா? அவங்களுக்கு எப்படி இருக்கும் ஃபியூச்சர்ல? அவங்க ரொம்ப ஷார்ட் டெம்பரா இருப்பாங்களா, இல்ல ரொம்ப பொறுமையா இருப்பாங்களா? ரொம்ப அது என்னாச்சும்
ரொம்ப லோன்லியா இருப்பா, அப்படி ரொம்ப பிடிவாதமா இருப்பா, அப்படி அவளை சீக்கிரம் ரியாக்ட் பண்ண மாட்டா, அப்படி ரியாக்ட் பண்ணா அக்ரெசிவா பண்ணுவாடி.
So நீங்க லோன்லினா என்ன அதுக்கு எப்படி அர்த்தம்?
அதாவது லோன்லினஸ் விரும்புவா அப்படி ஒரு
Okay.
டீமோட போற ஒரு கேரக்டர் இல்ல.
ஓகே
இப்ப
ஓகே
நீங்க நாளைக்கு ஸ்கூல்ல சேர்த்தீங்கன்னா கூட ஒரு 30 ஸ்டூடெண்ட்ஸ் இருக்காங்கன்னா 1 or 2 ஃப்ரெண்ட்ஸ் தான் இருப்பாங்க.
ஓகே. அது இப்போ நாங்க என்ன பாக்குறோமோ அது டோட்டலி டிஃபரெண்டா இருக்கு. இப்போ ரைட் நவ ரொம்ப எல்லாத்துலயும் அது மாதிரி சோஷியல் ரொம்ப இருக்கிற மாதிரி குழந்தை இது மேபி.
தெரியாது ஆக்சுவலி பை டெஸ்டினி வந்து ஏஜ் ஆக பிக்கப் ஆறது உங்களுக்கு தெரியும்.
காட் இட்.
ஒரு ப்ரொஃபஷனல் பிரில்லியன்சி வந்துரும். ஒரு ஏதோ ஒரு குறிப்பிட்ட சப்ஜெக்ட்ல பியூட்டிஃபுல்லா வரும் அப்படி நெக்ஸ்ட் 1.5 இயர்லயே. அத வந்து அப் டு தி ஏஜ் ஆஃப் 13 எடுத்துட்டு போயிருங்க. தேர் ஆஃப்டர் இட் கேன் பி ஹர் லைஃப்.
காட் இட்.
பாசிபிளி. அதனால எந்த கவலையும் வேண்டாம். இந்த
ஆனா
குழந்தைகளை
அது எந்த ஸ்கில்லும் தெரியாது, சொல்ல முடியாது இப்போ.
எப்படி சார்?
அது எந்த ஸ்கில்னு சொல்ல தெரியாது.
இல்ல அது வந்து ஒரு இண்டிவிஜுவல் ஆர்ட் லைன். இட் கேன் பி an art line. It can be a singing line. I don't believe it's a music. It is not instrumental. She can sing or she can draw. That type of thing is very much possible.
Got it. Okay.
இந்த ரெண்டுல ஏதோ ஒன்று வர வாய்ப்பு இருக்கு. Even she can become a chess player.
How is her IQ, brilliancy அதெல்லாம் எப்படி இருக்கு? அதெல்லாம் இப்ப செஸ் எல்லாம் அது மாதிரி
இல்ல IQ level excellent, but it will not reflect now.
Okay.
It will reflect after August very well.
Okay.
Up to that August, she don't seems that much great. But after August, her individuality, individual skill and knowledge will come out.
Got it.
There's so much brilliant personality she is. But luck level is slightly low. So only my idea, up to the age of 13, we should not hope anything from herself.
No miracles.
Yeah, no miracles. Up to the age of 13, anything is possible, great life. So you can keep her in a training mode or a coaching mode for a long time. 5-6 years. Then after 6 years, you will do everything fine.
Okay. அது இப்ப அவங்க மேரேஜ் கிட்ஸ் அதெல்லாம் இப்ப சொல்ல முடியுமா?
Actually, it is a கலஸ்திர தோஷ ஹோரோஸ்கோப். நீங்க வந்து ஃபாரின்ல இருக்கீங்க, ஃபாரின் கண்ட்ரில ஏதாச்சும் அலைன்ஸ் கிடைக்கும், அங்கேயே கல்யாணம் பண்ணிடணும். She cannot marry with your own culture.
Oh, I mean India.
Indian culture.
அப்படியா? ஓகே.
So அது கொஞ்சம் பார்த்து நீங்க பண்ணிக்கணும்.
ஓகே, அப்படியா? ஓகே.
ஏன்னா இதுல என்னன்னா குழந்தைங்க சூப்பர்பா இருக்கு. இந்த குழந்தையினுடைய வாரிசுகள், குழந்தைங்க her generation is royal, but her life partner is normal.
Can you repeat that?
Her generation, her children, grandchildren, they are royal, but her life partner is very normal.
Second part என்ன சொன்னீங்க? அது திருப்பி சொல்லுங்க.
Life partner, her life partner, husband can be a very normal man.
Oh, very normal na example?
He is not a great personality. He is not that much truthful. He is not that much a great husband to herself.
Oh, okay. So
actually, she will take care about the family.
Oh.
Her husband can be a lazy man.
Okay.
So marriage must be very important. Very carefully you have to do.
Okay.
It is a Kalastra dosha horoscope. Kalastra dosha means marriage can fail.
Okay.
It is up to 40%.
Okay.
So if we are careful, that 60% will work.
Okay.
We are careless, the 40% can work.
Got it. Okay.
So we must be careful. She is like a male child, not a female child. She will live like a male only. That means she don't need a husband on a great mode.
Okay. So
but
she can
my
live on
idea,
her own.
Yeah, otherwise she can become a single mother then. We must be careful.
Got it. Okay. Okay. இப்ப அவங்க இப்ப அப்பா அம்மா and brother அவங்கலாம் எப்படி இருக்கு?
Great. To the younger brother it is royal, to the elder it is royal, to the father it is great, to the mother it is normal.
To the mother na horoscope for mother.
Horoscope for the mother side it is normal, to the father it is good, to the brother and sister it is good.
Okay.
But from the age of 13 to everyone it is good.
Okay.
To the mother also.
Got it. Okay. Okay. And இப்ப வேற ஏதாச்சும் நாங்க அம்மா அப்பா எல்லாம் உங்களுக்கு சப்போர்ட் இருக்குன்னு சொன்னீங்க இல்லையா? அப் டு 13 இயர்ஸ். அது வரைக்கும் நம்மளுக்கு அம்மா அப்பா எல்லாம் நல்லா இருப்பாங்களா? அது ஹெல்த் அதெல்லாம்.
எக்ஸலன்ட், எக்ஸலன்ட். இது வந்து பேரண்ட், இட் should not disturb parents,
ஓகே.
but it will not support parents.
ஓகே.
That means about your survival, your growth can continue according to your destiny. That doesn't matter. Don't worry.
That will not
And
influence.
yeah, definitely. This horoscope will not disturb parents' future or day-to-day life.
Got it. Okay.
At the same time, from the age of 13, she is very, very lucky to father and mother.
Okay. Okay. Okay.
Very, very lucky to father and mother.
Lucky for father and mother. Okay.
Yes, yes.
Okay. And if so, no, finish பண்ணுங்க.
இல்ல எனி உங்களுக்கு வேற டவுட் இருக்கான்னு கேக்குறேன்.
யா நோ, எனக்கு மெயினா அதான் ஸ்டடீஸ் பிசிக்கல் ஆக்டிவிட்டிஸ் கம்மின்னு சொன்னீங்க. மேரேஜுக்கு கொஞ்சம் கேர்ஃபுல்லா இருக்கணும். இப்ப நாங்க இப்ப இருக்கிற இடத்துலயே தான் இருப்போமா இல்ல வேற எங்கேயாச்சும் மூவ் பண்ணணுமா இல்ல அது
இந்த ஹோரோஸ்கோப் பிரகாரம் மூவ் ஆயிருவீங்க. கம்மிங் ஆகஸ்ட் பிறகு எப்ப வேணாலும்.
So you're saying we'll move from here, this place itself?
Yeah. Yes. Maybe she can move by the school or city. இந்த குழந்தை படிக்கிற இடம் மாறிடும் சார், அல்லது லிவிங் பிளேஸ் மாறிடும்.
Oh.
From August month.
Okay. And it will be in US only, right?
Yeah. This horoscope very, very lucky with US or UK.
Okay.
Because here Ketu is very powerful. Ketu means Christian countries are Ketu. And then land order is good, economically good countries are Ketu. So generally for Europe and then US, this horoscope is lucky.
Okay. இப்ப நீங்க ஆஃப்டர் 30 இயர்ஸ் வரைக்கும் நல்லா இருக்கு, அதுக்கப்புறம் நார்மல் 30 to 46 அப்படிலாம் சொல்லிட்டு இருந்தீங்க. இப்ப உங்களுக்கு பர்சனல் லைஃப்ல we should be careful about choosing the husband சொன்னீங்க. So from our side, either father or mother, I mean it all age, right? We are talking about 20 years, 25 years down the line. We don't know how long they will survive and everything. How the support system for her brother?
This horoscope simply says both of you can live another 40-50 years easily. First point.
Okay.
Second point, the marriage, we cannot able to say it can be decided by you or herself. Because this horoscope says she can 80%, 60 to 80% she will decide herself.
Okay.
Then it is a fluke or luck, that's all.
Okay. So, இப்ப அவங்க brother, how is he relationship between her and then her siblings?
Very nice, excellent.
Okay.
There is no worry. Excellent. Okay. But that also from the age of 13.
From 13. Okay. Can you tell anything about
brother?
Sorry?
It is a great horoscope to the brother.
Okay. And can you tell anything about her brother from this?
No, it is not possible because he is not in right time. We can say from this August month onwards, this horoscope is lucky to brother. That's all.
Oh, got it. Okay.
I have a question. You mentioned something, some dasha from 37 to 57. That age.
Shukra Mahadasha, the great of her life.
That is not good.
That is very good. That is very good.
Yeah, but okay, marriage is not good. That is the age, right? If my husband is not good, then okay.
That only I'm saying. We have to counsel her properly. We have to carry on her properly from the small age onward. We have to convey her properly. How to carry on the male society, how to get married with a man, what type of things we need. These things you have to say. It will not happen automatically. If you allow it to happen automatically, possibilities for failing marriage only.
Got it. How does he behave with the friends and social and everyone? How is her?
Yeah, very, very nice. She can friendly with the people. That doesn't matter. But at the same time, she cannot be friendly with a lot of people.
Yeah, that is there. Actually,
limited friends, and then very truthful friend. She is a very truthful friend. Very truthful.
Got it. Yeah, got it.
Okay. All right.
Pros and cons. Yeah.
And I think you have any other question? And what age do you think the marriage or those things approximately?
I will tell you, sir. It can be in 2043. That means, sir, 27, 26, 27. Guru
No,
Buddha.
23, right? 2043, she is, 2016 she is born. Okay, yeah. Okay.
It is Buddha Magadasa, Guru Antardasa time. Very good marriage is there.
Okay. Okay.
It's the destiny, it seems like that.
Got it. Okay.
So if he tries, it will happen automatically, easily.
Got it. Okay. Yeah, I think we mainly want to make sure that how she studies and how is her area of interest. Physical activity, you said I should be very soft on. And similarly, overall health is something we have to be very careful
Yes.
until 13 years. And
Yes.
also study also we should be careful until
Yes.
13 years. Don't push us
Yes.
too hard. And after that, she
Yes.
will come out good. And
Yes, he will come out.
and she will go to the college and then she will go in the field of, you said, software and medical, something like that, right?
Yes. Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Excellently, she will do. She don't need physical activity on a working mode life. For example, she cannot be a civil engineer or mechanical engineer or hard-working machine life. Actually, she can work by the mind only. Otherwise, she's an excellent administrator. So for administration, you can give a course like that, MBA, BBA, something. Then she will do magical job in the bigger companies.
Got it.
That she will do. Education is very, very easy from the age of 13. Up to the age of 13, just carry on her.
Got it. Yeah.
Lift her in every stage.
Shape her until 13.
Yes, yes, sir. Yes, sir. Any other doubts, sir?
I don't have. You have any other doubt? Any other questions?
Any heart disease, accident, anything is there showing now?
Actually, there is nothing now. There is no real success now. That is the only minus. There is no worst disease or accident or something wrong. Normally, there is no real happiness and real success now.
No, not now. Throughout, I'm saying overall.
Yeah, yeah. Not at all. Not there is no accident. Nothing wrong in her life. She can actually, after marriage, in her marriage life, she can work a lot to manage the family. Her husband cannot do his real duties. That is the minus point of this horoscope that we will discuss later.
Got it. Yeah, it is too early.
In those ages, we will sit together. Still, time is there.
Yeah.
That time we can decide.
Yeah.
Only minus in the horoscope, that is.
Okay. That is anyway in future. Now we need to focus on how to do all the aspects, what we are looking for.
Definitely. Sure. Any other doubts, sir?
You can ask if you have any questions.
Not now. Another appointment for Arush also, I'm saying.
You can ask.
Yes. Yes, sir.
We would share my son's details also with you and set up a meeting.
Definitely, ma'am. Definitely. You can send to me the details actually. We can.
You already have the details. I already sent you the details.
Yeah, it is there. It is there with me. We can discuss after 10 days time, sir. Can I fix a timing there?
Sure.
Yeah, sure. We are not in any rush.
For next 14 days. So I can try within this 10th to 14th day. Otherwise, after 14th day, we will do.
Sure. Yeah, I mean, timing is fine.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. That we can.
I have one last question. Do you, for my daughter, do you prefer in terms of, you said location, something we may have to move before school or something. Yes. From her personal perspective, health and all the perspective, which location is more suitable for her?
Actually,
she can cold place or hot place or any of the from her health perspective.
Actually, comparing to the present city, it can be very improved city in economical status and then climate conditions. In Chandra,
what is good for my daughter? What is good for Kiara?
For herself, the temperature high is better.
Okay.
Medium temperature is very good.
Okay.
Then the cold temperature.
Okay.
So she can be shifted to the very good condition, climate better hot condition, and then the city must be very good, very comfortable to her.
Okay.
Even my idea, always keep on herself in a good climate, a good neat place. We need extra stamina from the society and climate.
Extra stamina from society.
The society and then climate. For example, any city like Delhi is a nasty city, she should not stay. Any pollution, it will do wrong. Any air pollution or extra cold will affect her.
Okay.
So we need a neat city. Yes.
And you said good social, that means the good community where we live,
Good neighborhood.
Yeah, good neighborhood.
Got it. Okay.
Very important. Yes, sir.
Okay, I think I have most of the things covered. Anything else? No, right?
I'm good.
So we will set up I will talk to you through WhatsApp, and then we will set up one for my son as well.
Fine, sir. Fine. My idea, first week of February, we can discuss. Don't need to worry.
Absolutely. Thank you so much. Very nice talking to you. Rombo,
Thank you.
Thank you.
Yeah.
Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thanks. Thanks. Thank you.